Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is the SHIDU. It's an original voice amplifier. So we're gonna try this thing out. This would be great for like teachers on a classroom thing, or really, anybody who's quiet or whatever, a tour guide. I think my tour guides have used these things before too. And so I'm just gonna put these out here and give this thing a try. I'll aim you guys a little bit so you can see me unboxing it here, taking it apart. It's got some wires here just to open it up. It's going to be the strap for it. And here we have headset and microphone stuff. This will be interesting because I have a microphone on right now. Let's put this back here. Okay, it comes with a charging cable, which is going to be USB to USB-C. That's good. And then here's a different microphone with a bunch of different little tips. Actually, they're all the same tips. So if you're going to share this thing, you can each have your own little tip on it. So as far as that goes, you won't have to get everyone else's germs. So cool. And so this is what the headset looks like here. I'm going to aim you up a little bit again so you can see me. So this is the headset. So this is what it'll look like here. Sorry, I'm running with two microphones because I have my little lavalier mic here. But this is the device, and it says aux and mic. So I will plug this into the microphone here. There's a little power button up here. Oh no, the on-off is this one here. So there it is. So I am loud. Wow, I am loud. Holy mackerel, this is super loud. That's cool. Oh, and there's a mute button on there, so if I'm talking, I can just mute it. And then couldn't push it there. So this is super loud. It's got a clip on it, so I could clip it onto my belt, onto my backpack for the people behind me, if that was what it was needed. And then it's got this strap here. So let's see, the strap will connect up. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. So this is the belt clip here. Here is the strap. It's got a little like key ring kind of thing here. So there's that side. And then let me clip the other side here. Man, you saw I got this thing going immediately, so you can see it's super easy to set up. Yep. There we go. What does this say? It says push the button here. Oh, I guess if you don't want this clip, you could push the button and take it off somehow. Oh, push it down. There. So if you don't want this clip on there, if it's getting caught on things or something, you can do. It's so loud. Okay. But then this is the strap here, so you could just have it like this as I'm walking around giving my tour. I could make it nice and long, just wear it around my shoulder here. So as I'm walking, I could be giving my tour. I can turn the volume up as loud as I want. I can mute it when I want to, but it sounds really good. I mean, it probably sounds tinny. It is slightly tinny of a sound, but that's what it's going to be. But it's super clear. Wow, this is really good. It's way clearer than I thought it would be with anything else. So this is what it is. It's really good, and it's going to have feedback if I'm putting it right next to my microphone or turning it up just ridiculously loud just in a quiet room. But this is sweet. This is really nice. So I'll be using this if I go somewhere and have a group with the family behind me or whatever, trying to keep them up to date, or just to screamer at my kids or something like that in the house. So very cool. Thumbs up for sure. Very nice.